All right, so this next part I'm gonna do in the fume hood, and what I have here, can you please focus, camera, thank you. It's a little bit of elemental iodine, a very small amount, and I'm gonna do this in the fume hood, you'll see why. So I'm going to put the iodine on this hot plate on top of the watch glass, and I turned up the heat, and let's see what happens. And you know what? I'm wondering if, to see some things a little bit better, what I might do right now is put some white paper behind this end, since we're not in the classroom at the moment. People don't need to see through that end, and I think maybe it will help see what's happening with some of the experiments if I do that. Let me take a look at my camera. Let's see. All right, I think I pushed the paper a little bit closer. All right, cool. So yeah, that might, a white backdrop might help us see what's happening. So let's see. Might not notice anything yet. All right. So keep an eye on the iodine. I don't know if you're noticing anything yet, but keep your eye on it. So a little bit of solid elemental iodine, or iodine, however you want to say it. And the hot plate is on. I probably should have warmed it up before this, but oh, starting to see something. Anybody noticing that? Look what's happening. You notice anything? The iodine is solid, and as the hot plate is heating up, it's turning directly into its gas form, which is a very cool looking purple gas. When a solid turns directly into a gas and skips over being a liquid, that is called sublimation, and that is what's happening. So iodine turns from a solid directly to a gas. So you're seeing sublimation right there. There it goes. Now the hot plate is warm enough. Technically, if I have it get warm enough, it will, oh, I'm starting to see some of it melt. See, now I'm noticing a little bit of light reflecting off of the drops in the plate. So it is melting a tiny bit, but before it fully melted, it was turning from a solid directly into a gas. Oof, that's a lot of iodine. I'm gonna turn on my fume hood so I don't choke to death. Yeah, see, this is why chemists have a fume hood. So I don't breathe in all of the really toxic fumes. Woof, yeah, I'm smelling that. Now the fume hood's on. All right, if you guys don't hear from me soon, now you know why. See this guy, that's why I have this fume hood. It's got a filter for toxic fumes. All right, there you go. Now you saw iodine sublimating.